Hello to you, baby. It's your boy Med. J'espère que vous allez bien, la famille. C'est parti pour un nouvel épisode du Get Ready Show. Ouais, je sors de la laverie. Je suis allé laver mon t-shirt. Vous le reconnaissez, celui-là, c'est le t-shirt des épisodes Barbershop. C'est parti. Aujourd'hui, on va tester 51 Barber Square. On est au 51 rue Pernetti, dans le 14e arrondissement, métro 13 Pernetti. On va tester ce barbershop qui est assez récent, qui a ouvert, je crois, il y a 6 mois à peu près. Comme vous le voyez, les cheveux ont repoussé, la barbe aussi depuis l'épisode de Zach l'artiste, qui s'affiche d'ailleurs en haut de votre écran. Alors on va tester leurs prestations, on va voir si ça vaut le coup ou pas. C'est parti, suivez-moi, c'est maintenant dans ce nouvel épisode du Get Ready Show.
Hey Ahmed, let's get it.
Come on.
Welcome to the Get Ready Show. Get ready.
In my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. Killing the game and I gotta go ask anybody. They all heard about it, they know when the kid and he's spitting it. Know when he get in it, bit and I get in my way. Got this, I like do whatever I say, cause I could go put you on blast. People been mad at me cause I don't follow them back. I'm laughing cause that is so whack. Why they all trying to act like they been bossing when really their boss has been bossing them up? Nobody ever been telling me what I would do when I keep in the cash for the shit out of luck. I want it more, now I get what I wish. Upgrading now with the pants that I whip. Making 6 figures, don't talk about it. Money and shit, it's about how you think. Tired of people who making excuses, then they complain about losing. Tell me about what you been doing, tell me about how you been moving. You ain't got nothing to prove then. I did it all on my own, they looking like all of my clones. I don't be following trends, fuck all the popular clothes. You faking and everyone knows, I just be keeping it real. They thinking that I have to go sign a deal, but really the people just found an appeal. I'm in my own lane and I'm steering the wheel, ayy. It's funny how it goes, funny how it goes. Talking about shit they don't even know. Why they tryna tell me about what I should do? They don't know about the shit I've been through. It ain't what it seems, it ain't what it seems. Been 4 years, I've been chasing dreams. This ain't overnight, this ain't overnight. Working every night till the sunrise. Fed up with too many things, every time the phone rings. Everything the world brings, I've been trying to grow wings. Fly away to the kings, I need to take my advice. Telling myself and I know that I'm right. Don't listen at first so I go say it twice. Just think about what's gonna be important in life. I can't waste my time thinking about the girls and the social life that I lost. Everything that's worth it ain't free, and a good life comes with a big cost. I'm a bit lost, but I bounce back like Big Sean, and I will attack like King Kong. Yeah, I've been on and they been wrong, and I stay strong like whoa. Wish I could talk to the younger me. Tell him you don't need to stress out. Everything gonna be good soon. Just focus on being the best out. Nevertheless, I won't ever get less than I'm worth, and I know I'm the best now. Looking around and it's looking like everyone busy, they wanna invest now. These people the reason I doubted me. I thought that I wouldn't be good enough, but now that they all reaching out to me, I'm wishing I always had knew what's up. I'm living the same as the listeners, but I just stuck with the vision. I've been trying to motivate everyone listening, tell them to trust what they want and to stick to ambition. It's funny how it goes, funny how it goes. Talking about shit they don't even know. Why they tryna tell me about what I should do? They don't know about the shit I've been through. It ain't what it seems, it ain't what it seems. Been 4 years, I've been chasing dreams. This ain't overnight, this ain't overnight. Working every night till the sunrise. times that I ever let you down. When we got in arguments about me going dropping out. But just know that everything I do, I'm doing it for you. And I know it's gonna work out, but I just need some time to prove. Thinking back to when I finished college, almost left the town. I was focused on the music, I just wanted to surround myself with all the stars, thinking it would help me shine. But really had to focus on what I had built inside. Cause I know I'ma get it, but just know it takes time. I hate to see you worry, but just know that I'll be fine. I'm waiting for the day when we can sit and reminisce. I'ma take you around the world and buy you anything you wish. But for now, just know that I've been working more than ever. I know that I'ma get it, so the family living better. I know that you still love me, but I wanna make you proud. I can't wait to see you smiling up in front of the whole crowd. Like, I know I'ma get it, I just don't know how. I've never felt how I feel right now, but everything is alright. Everything is alright. And Papa, don't worry, I'ma make you proud. I know you're scared, but it's gonna work out. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. I know that I owe you back for everything you've done. You left your happiness to help me pay my college funds. Living all alone in a place that you never been. And you worked your whole life to put me in a place to win. So I can't stop now, no I won't stop now. And I know that I'ma get it, but I don't know how. Either make it as a dentist or just make it through the music. You gave me everything you got, just know I never lose it. Nothing in this life I got can never be for certain. But I'ma make it work and make your hard work worth it. And as the clock ticks, I know you're deep down hurting. I'm doing everything I can to make sure it don't worsen. But now, just know that I've been working more than ever. I know that I'ma get it, so the family living better. I know that you still love me, but I wanna make you proud. I can't wait to see you smiling up in front of the whole crowd. Like, I know I'ma get it, I just don't know how. I've never felt how I feel right now, but everything is alright. Everything is alright. I tell them don't worry, I'ma make you proud. I know you're scared, but it's gonna work out. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. You know, when you're working towards something and you don't see any signs in return, but you have a feeling that it's really gonna happen, but you just never know when. It could be tomorrow, it could be the day after, or it could be a year from now, but you just know if you keep working, something's gonna happen. And people asking about you and want to see results, but you got nothing to show them. But I guess only time will tell. Cause if it was easy, everybody would have it. But only the people that work really got it. So that's just how it goes. And respect to those who've been doing what they love and keep it going.
Oh, I just wanna know what you know about me. Oh, I just wanna know what you know about me.
The living legend when I die, know I said it here. Need them tennis chains hanging out that cashmere. Always been a G, running crazy at my fear. Got a buzz while I'm buzzing no light year. Couple more people putting up with them compliments. Keep gassing me up, it feeds my confidence. When I'm over here rapping on the mic, work at the crazy, go enjoy your fucking night. It's your life, bitch. Fuck them other guys who be jumping sides. You just live a lie, I'm just trying to fucking die. Legend when it's all said and done. I'ma make some records I dedicate to my son. Hesitation is none, domination I come. Frustration is one, perpetuating what's fun. Correlation is some, for me lashing out and killing all these fake trends. Just some drug addicted teens with some fake friends. I ain't gonna state again how I feel on this issue. Just know if you die from that shit, I will not miss you. I will not miss you. I will not miss you. I won't miss you.
And I just wanna know what you know about me. And I just wanna know what you know about me. And I just wanna know.
I'm really entering a new motherfucking level, man. I feel this shit deep down. 4 songs recorded out in the night. I just wanna ask the question, who the fuck is in sight of a kid who'll be working every day of his life? You just talking to spite, I'm just talking to bright, huh? So every day I'm writing, every day I'm working. You talking all that shit, but never when you in person. Cause in person you a bitch and you know it, yeah. You a bitch and you know it.
Sell a quarter key for before I sleep. Yeah, gold all in my teeth. Ay, you riding concealed, I keep that shit up in my reach. Ay, ride with that 4 bulldog muzzle on, won't let them speak. Ay, 5-6 with my city, yeah, I'm riding for Palm Beach. Ay, who you know be cold like me though? Turn up, I shoot no free throw. Face gate in the hood, understood roll of what niggas armed at the door, no people. What you know about me? Ay, I been stuck in my way. Ay, fuck minimum wage. Ay, started busting them play. Ay, heard you boys try to lick me. Ay, 9 off in this 50. Ay, step off and boo see me. Ay, get my mouthpiece leaning. Ay, pay don't play with my soul. Ay, they be south be scheming. Pull up, big boy bankroll, drop 5 and name it.
Tell him meet me at the green light. He actin' shady, so the shit don't really seem right. Tell him meet me at the green light. He actin' shady, so the shit don't really seem right. Oh, what you know about me? You don't know about me. What you know about me? Yeah. What you know about me? You don't know about me. You don't know about me. Yeah, yeah. What you know about me? You don't know about me. You don't know about me. Yeah. You won't never know about me. You won't know about me. You don't know about me. No, no, no.
The Get Ready Show.
La famille, comme d'habitude, restez bien jusqu'au bout de la vidéo pour connaître la note que je vais donner à cette coupe. Et puis n'oubliez pas, si jamais vous avez des lieux, des endroits qui n'ont rien à me proposer, c'est sur mes réseaux sociaux que ça se passe. Hit me up on my social networks, valent-elles on Facebook, Twitter et Instagram. Comme d'habitude également, si vous avez kiffé cette vidéo, des pouces bleus, vous partagez, vous vous abonnez en cliquant sur ma photo qui arrive à la fin de la vidéo et en cliquant sur la cloche pour recevoir toutes les notifications. Vous partagez, je pense que je l'ai déjà dit, mais c'est pas grave, c'est gratuit. Même les pouces bleus, allez-y, je le répète, mais voilà, ça permet de nous envoyer de la force. C'est important, donc n'hésitez pas à le faire. Commentez également, mettez une note sur 10 à cette coupe en commentaire, j'ai hâte de vous lire. Et dans quelques secondes, donc la note. Juste avant, on va faire un petit point sur les tarifs. La coupe normale est à 15 €, coupe plus barbe, c'est 25 €. Et si vous voulez carrément shampoing, serviette chaude et l'huile pour la barbe, c'est 35 €. Après, bon voilà, il y a des frisages, il y a la décoloration, les couleurs, bah, bref, tout ça, vous aurez toutes les infos sur leur site internet que je vous mets en barre d'infos en description. Je mettrai également l'Instagram de Landry si jamais vous avez envie de jeter un œil à son travail. Alors, concernant le taf, justement, il a mis 1h20 sur ma tête, 15 minutes de plus que sur une tête normale, selon le patron, environ, voilà, à peu près, généralement c'est à peu près 1 heure. Franchement, le taf est propre, l'ambiance est sympa et le barbeur est hyper cool, hyper détente. On sent que c'est un gars passionné par ce qu'il fait, c'est propre, ça c'est important de le souligner. Il désinfecte à chaque fois qu'il réutilise une tondeuse ou un peigne ou quoi, ou caisse. Voilà, il y a vraiment le souci de bien désinfecter, etc. et tout. Donc ça, voilà, faut le souligner. Ils utilisent des produits de qualité. C'est appréciable qu'ils utilisent une petite serviette chaude, tu vois. Après ça, je pense que ça fait partie de la formule Infinity à 35 €. Voilà, la petite serviette chaude, les gars, juste après, voilà, qu'il ait pris soin de vous et tout. Honnêtement, c'est hyper agréable. Et comme d'habitude, moi, ça me donne envie de dormir. Juste un petit bémol. Quand il fait le dégradé et qu'il rase, bah, parfois, il est un petit peu rude. Donc, il m'a un petit peu fait mal. Mais rien de grave, voilà, ça passe. Hein. Vous le voyez, je suis pas à l'article de la mort. Donc, non, franchement, honnêtement, à part ça, très bonne expérience ici au 51 Barber Square. Il y a un gros potentiel et c'est pour ça que je vais donner une note de, attention, 8 sur 10. 8 sur 10 pour cette coupe. Dites-moi dans les commentaires si jamais vous êtes d'accord ou pas. Voilà, je suis ouvert au débat. Encore une fois, je suis pas un professionnel, je suis juste un client qui donne son avis, hein, tout simplement. Donc voilà. Je suis désolé d'avoir été un petit peu long, mais voilà, comme à chaque fin de barber, je suis un peu endormi. J'espère que cette vidéo, en tout cas, vous aura plu. Je recommande 51 Barber Square. Toutes les infos dans la description. On se retrouve très bientôt pour un nouvel épisode du Get Ready Show. Et puis d'ici là, vous savez ce qu'il vous reste à faire. Take care and bless you.
Get ready.